Here we can see the selection tools. The rectangle, that select the rectangle area, then oval shapes select the elliptical circular area, polygon, that is selected for the irregular shape with straight segment, freehand, it is select the custom shape by freehand drawing, straight line, we can draw single straight line for measuring or plotting a leaf, and draw connected line segment, that is segment line. Then point, multi-point and freehand line first is there, that is draw as custom free format line, and the mark and count individual coordinate points are there. Then bands, they select a contiguous area of a similar pixel value. The text is there for inserting the text label onto the image. There is a magnifying glass, scrolling hand, and color picker. We can select a foreground and background color for the image, and customize tool, action icon, that remain right on the rightmost corner. The shape and drop down arrows, they are customized slot for running specific plugs, macros, or developing tools. So in this, for example, if you click to the file and if we have taken a sample, or we can upload a sample like the boat, cardio, cell colony, then dot plot, then gel, leaf, linear graph, mitosis, MRI stack, particle T1 head, TEM filters, etc. So today embryos as well. So we are going to perform for a leaf. After clicking on the leaf, we get an image of a leaf with a scale. Here we are going to select the scale, straight line here, the line bar, and then measure the leaf, and it tell the x-axis, y-axis angles and the length of that particular, for example, midrib or whichever type of scale. In this way we can take a scale exact way, and we can write the x-axis, y-axis angle and the length. For that, next step is analyzing. We can analyze and write the enter the value in analyze for getting the area and all. Even we can use this rectangle for knowing the width and the height with the x and y axis. So here we can see a image that shows the ImageJ interface that is running in a mobile browser. It displays a sample image like a leaf JPG, and the physical ruler for the scale calibration is given here. We can select a straight line tool from the ImageJ toolbar. We can draw a line across a known distance on the visible yellow ruler at the top of the image. We can go to analyze and set the scale, enter the known distance and unit, example millimeter, and click OK to calibrate the pixel measures. So here we can see the area, the mean, the minimum and the maximum values that are given here. Here we can select the process bar. We can select the smooth, sharp, fine edges, maximum, noise, shallow, binary, math. All of these. In shadow we will see such image. Even the direction can be changed. Here if we click on smooth, so it will show this image, and if we click on binary, make binary, so this image will be, we will get the binary image in the process. In the analyze we can also get a histogram and images, so it will tell the mean, standard deviation and all the important things. Here we can see an example of histogram. Here the minimum, maximum, mode, mean, standard deviation, and the intensity, unweight, and in pixel it is given. About ImageJ. It is a free Java-based software program designed for significant multi-dimension image processing and analysis. So it handles major file format, and we can use for measuring the leaf distance, angle, and pixel intensity with heavy extensible via community building macros and plugs. So there's a compatibility run on the window analysis tools are there, and we can calculate the area, pixel value, statistic distance, and angle measurement, and perform contrast adjustment of the shape and smoothing, edges detection and filtering. And it support the custom Java plugs and recordable macros for automation. So for knowing such concepts, follow by Mindscape.